Your challenge is the miscellaneous omelet.
Challenge accepted.
Boom.
I'm just gonna go rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
Alright, go. Dog food soaking in water. 2 eggs. Cheese. Turkey. Coffee. Tuna. Salt. Nutella. Sriracha. Dijon mustard. Ash. Some fresh powdered ash. Let's call mushrooms. Relish. Ketchup. Very flavored drink powder shit. Green. Food coloring. Chili powder. And tobacco. And human skin.
Look, okay, I got sunburns, and it's peeling, so I'm just gonna Nutella mix into this.
Oh, that sound.
You can't take out. No, just go. Just go.
Yeah. Dude, that's so much.
He likes a lot of butter, dude. Remember?
Wow. Oh my.
I mean, I like tripping.
Anyway, and tell them that's just the color.
Isn't he in the garage?
Oh, is
he? I don't know. I think so.
Hey, Brendon! Damn it, all your balls flat. No, come on, shake my. 3, 2,
Brendon's gonna like
1.
it.
No, I'm not fucking eating that. That's how gross that is, dude. I can't fucking chew it.
I'm not gonna try anything.
Oh my god.
Just do it.
Oh, hold on, no, I'm not kidding.
4, 3, 2,
Like a pill.
1, go! I'm sorry.
Brendon, you didn't even eat any of it.
Dude, fuck!
You gotta swallow. Oh! You gotta swallow it all.
Don't think about it, Brendon.
You got it. Come on.
Keep it down.
You got this, you got this. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god, no, dude, that was the hardest thing in my entire fucking life.
Congratulations, sir.
Do you really want to know?
Yeah, I really want to know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Mushrooms, ketchup, hot sauce,
And I did this. I did this to it.
chili powder, relish, a little bit of drool. I didn't catch that in there.
Michael, who's
We all give you props for that.
Gonna throw up again.